Welcome, Dr. Rhett. Nice to meet you. Glad you're here. Let's get started. Go to my office.
Do you ever feel frustrated about the transparency of healthcare providers? Do you ever leave a doctor's office feeling confused about your health or why you feel so sick and tired? Do you feel connected to a solution or the best explanation of how long it's going to take for you to start feeling well? Many times in healthcare, there's a serious gap between knowing what the problem is and knowing how or why you started feeling that way. I'm Dr. Rhett, and my work involves helping patients make the connection between finding conservative treatment options and understanding the timeline of progress. A chiropractor by trade, I work as a neuroholist, which means I use the patient's nervous system to treat the body in a holistic or whole body way. The system I use functions as a call and response technique, using sensory-based diagnostic challenges to ask the body questions. As a colleague of mine once said, as a doctor, if you're ever in doubt, use the tool that's right in front of you, the patient. Let's face it, you need answers, not pills. You need a better understanding of your diagnosis and how you got in your specific situation. And I'm here to tell you that vitalistic, evidence-based procedures like the ones I perform in my office are great alternatives. Other models of care can be lengthy, time-consuming, costly, and lacking when it comes to bridging the knowledge gaps of disease processes. To not get the answers you need or to even get the wrong answers is the most costly part of healthcare. Natural health care is a very interesting thing around the world, with more than 20 million people visiting chiropractors in the U.S. alone annually. Visits to chiropractors surpass the number of visits to conventional mainstream physicians by a 10-to-1 ratio. Chiropractic, part of the complementary and alternative medicine umbrella, is a portal of entry healthcare option. You don't need another doctor's signature. You can start taking advantage of our services right away. As a third-generation chiropractor and natural medicine healthcare provider, I aim to be a valuable resource to my community. I like to say health and healthcare is a direction. The way you feel on a daily basis is a reflection of the quality of health that you have and the direction that you're headed. People need specific information about what kind of shape they're in and which direction is the best direction for them. The question is whether or not your doctor has the right tools to ask the questions and to get helpful answers. As I've heard it said, the quality of your life will be based on the quality of your questions, or in this circumstance, the quality of your doctor's questions. What people need are conservative options that give them results fast, easy, and cost-effective, and that's what I do in my office. Effective care depends on an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment procedures. I hope that you'll consider getting your healthcare needs met in my office naturally. If you come to Kenny Chiropractic, you will get answers. But not only answers, I promise you'll get direction. For more information, go to our website at kennycare.com and don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. We look forward to seeing you soon.